R.I.P. my nigga King, man. Rest in peace, Lil Weak. You know I can't forget you, little bro. I swear to God, man, I put it on everything. I'm going motherfucking right, man. Pussy niggas gotta die, man. They took my nigga King, like it ain't the same. I gotta slide now. Every day a nigga cry, man. I put my rap to the side. I'm fishing for homicides now. Whoever out there getting down, we running down on niggas and we leaving niggas right where they found. I ain't playing with these fuck niggas. I spin that corner, man. I'm drilling, man. Y'all niggas better duck, nigga. Nah, know what's up, nigga. Just throwing them bullets and hoping niggas getting plucked, nigga. My nigga King was a young nigga. He was only 19. He ain't get to see a dub, nigga. And we lost him to some plug niggas. They don't really want the drama, man. Them niggas can't fuck with his King. Said they kill my nigga King. All he wanted was the cream, move out for his team. And look at the Lord King. He kept his 40 on his hip with a 40 loaded clip. That's why I'm fucking mad as shit. Cause how my fucking nigga slip, now I'm on some fucking shit. I'ma let my Nina rip. I'ma empty out the clip on these pussy niggas strip. Don't care who getting hit. Cars look suspicious, man, I swear they getting flipped. Don't really got no pick, don't really care who niggas with. Shouldn't have been around, shouldn't have been up in the mix. Just lost my uncle, now I gotta deal with this. Meaning read books, that's the news I gotta get. Which King was hooping fuck trying to play the strip. But growing up, man, all we knew was play with clips. And it's like, I'm fucked up, you really gone, this shit is wrong. They locked up, we lost one, this shit is drawn. After you, Lil Weed died, what's going on? I'm smoking loud and sipping lean to ease the pain. Wake me up, this can't be life, this shit a dream. My nigga Beeb, he's stressing out, this shit a shame. My nigga Quill just walking around, don't say a thing. 2, 3, 4, we moving out, this shit for King. Grab the flames, then we aim, lock eyes on the target, then we let them motherfucking hammers bang. Just to see my niggas cry, brought tears to my eyes, I swear to God, man, life it ain't a game. My mind racing on God patience, I need the cream. The deal I get it, my family good, so is the team. The record with it, addicted to it just like a fiend. His killer slipping, we take him out, that's on the dean. I'm spitting pain, you gotta feel, just listen, man. This thug life is fucked up, this what it bring. Niggas shooting but get shot and fucking sing. So headshots and leave him dead up on the scene. With DLK, we in and out, don't make a scene. Like Martin Luther, I'm chasing dreams to be a king. I'm busting tracks and writing raps to get the cream. This shit for Dan, this shit for me, this shit for King. King said they kill my nigga King. All he wanted was the cream, move out for his team. And look at the Lord King. He kept his 40 on his hip with a 40 loaded clip. That's why I'm fucking mad as shit. Cause how my fucking nigga slip, now I'm on some fucking shit. I'ma let my Nina rip. I'ma empty out the clip on these pussy niggas.
Rest in peace to my nigga King. You already know, 2-4 shit. We gon' keep it that way, nigga. Team King, you already know, yeah, man.
My nigga King, we bringing drama your way, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? You already know how we do.
Flatline.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck y'all niggas.
Team King.
Fuck niggas,
Team
trust
King,
niggas.
you know what I'm saying?
You already know.